There are moments in space exploration when the universe behaves exactly as scientists expect. Every calculation works, every prediction comes true, and the laws of physics seem unshakable. But every so often, something happens that refuses to fit inside those rules. These rare events don't just challenge our understanding, they seem to rewrite it. Voyager 1, the most distant human-made object ever launched, has encountered one of those extraordinary moments. For nearly 5 decades, this remarkable spacecraft has traveled farther from Earth than anyone imagined possible. It has crossed beyond the influence of the planets, escaped the Sun's protective magnetic bubble, and entered the cold, radiation-filled darkness of interstellar space, a place no spacecraft was ever designed to survive. Yet against every expectation, Voyager continues to communicate with Earth. Recently, something astonishing happened. The spacecraft detected a signal unlike anything scientists had seen before. It wasn't ordinary radio noise, background interference, or the familiar behavior of plasma waves. Instead, the pattern appeared organized, repeated with precision, and reacted in a way that seemed almost deliberate. Imagine throwing a message in a bottle into an endless ocean, believing no one would ever find it. Now imagine discovering that someone not only opened the bottle, but sent one back. That is the mystery surrounding Voyager today. As we follow Voyager's incredible journey, from the giant storms of Jupiter and the magnificent rings of Saturn to the frozen worlds of Uranus and Neptune, and finally into the endless darkness beyond our solar system, you'll understand why this new discovery has captured so much attention. Voyager 1 was never meant to survive this long. When it launched in 1977, its mission was straightforward: explore Jupiter and Saturn, send back photographs and scientific measurements, then slowly fall silent as its systems lost power. Instead, history had other plans. Powered by aging plutonium generators, guided by technology far less powerful than today's smartphones, and equipped with only a handful of remaining scientific instruments, Voyager continues to travel through regions of space that no human-made object had ever explored before. Now located more than 155 astronomical units from the Sun, it remains humanity's only direct observer inside interstellar space. Its onboard computer contains less memory than a single modern digital photograph, yet this tiny machine continues sending priceless scientific information across billions of kilometers. Every signal received from Voyager expands our understanding of the universe. Everything the spacecraft discovered, from Jupiter's violent atmosphere to the outer boundary of the heliosphere, prepared scientists for surprises. But nothing prepared them for what came next. Voyager's first encounter with the unexpected actually began decades earlier during its historic flyby of Jupiter. The giant planet revealed an astonishing world unlike anything astronomers had imagined. Immense storms larger than Earth raged across its atmosphere. Lightning flashed with incredible power, while Jupiter's moon Io erupted with towering volcanic plumes reaching hundreds of kilometers into space. The intense radiation surrounding the planet pushed Voyager's instruments close to their operational limits. Hidden within all of this activity were several unusual electromagnetic patterns that scientists struggled to explain. At the time, these faint signals were considered instrument noise or limitations in existing models. Today, some researchers have revisited those archived observations, wondering whether those mysterious patterns were the earliest clues that something unusual existed far beyond our current understanding. If those strange readings represented the first hint, then the signal Voyager recently detected may be the next chapter in a mystery that has remained hidden for decades. Saturn became Voyager 1's final planetary destination before beginning its endless journey toward interstellar space. Its breathtaking rings displayed intricate wave structures shaped by gravity, while Titan's thick orange atmosphere concealed a fascinating world that would not be explored again until many years later. But Saturn also marked a turning point. After leaving the ringed planet behind, Voyager entered a trajectory from which there would be no return. With every passing year, sunlight became weaker, communication delays grew longer, and the influence of the solar wind gradually faded. The familiar architecture of the solar system slowly disappeared behind it. Ahead lay an environment where magnetic fields behaved differently, energetic particles became more intense, and scientists had little idea what awaited. Saturn was more than Voyager's final planetary encounter. It was the gateway to a completely unknown frontier. From that moment onward, every kilometer carried the spacecraft deeper into territory where humanity had never before collected direct scientific measurements.